Hold her down. I know, right?
I gave you my keys.
Where did your keys go? Oh.
Stop just doing it, you stupid. You have it? Are you okay?
Do some for me.
Are you okay? Did you hit the floor hella hard?
How am I supposed to go out and eat now? You have to change. It's your house.
Go change. Go rinse it really quick.
You touched me.
Get away from me.
Did you guys do this last year? Your glasses.
They did it to me. You did it to me.
Where's the key?
This is payback, you think?